Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Costco tire deals and book a tire appointment. So first of all, you need to come here on tires.costco.com. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see a bunch of different types of offers. Like here you can get $200 off a set of 4 wheels. So over here you will find all of these types of offers. So on the top you are going to see this type of section where you need to enter your vehicle's year, make, model and trim, or search using the current tire size. You need to also review the available tires and then open the ones that match to your vehicle. You can also check the current instant savings, the promotions and the expiration dates before choosing the tire. Now, once you have selected your tires, you need to choose your preferred Costco tire center, and then you need to simply just add the tire to your cart. Afterwards, you need to review the price, the installation charges, and any of the available savings before completing your purchase. Now, after purchasing or after placing the order, you will see this option of schedule an appointment. So over here, you can click on this option, then you can enter the vehicle details like the year, the make, the model, the trim, and the zip code, and then you can just simply find a tire center and you can book an appointment for that. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.